out by saying end of the 9 weeks is very close, right? We have this week and next week is 9 weeks tests. So perhaps the first thing you should do after your quiz is check Skyward and see how things are looking, see if you can get me things, see if you are missing things. And let's try our very best to get those grades as high as we can before the end of the 9 weeks. Okay, it's crazy that half the semester is almost over, but that's where we're at. So you will have one more quiz next Wednesday. That's our 9 weeks quiz day about something that we're going to start tomorrow. And, there'll be a few more little grades, but mostly you need to go back and see if you've got holes you need to fill them in. Okay. So that's my big push after the quiz. Go back and start with Skyward. See what's missing, see what you can still get me. Remember, you always need to message me if you do something random because I don't always see it. Okay, if it's something like on the textbook or something like that, just let me know. Okay, otherwise vocab is due tomorrow, so make sure you're working on your vocab for chapter 6. Otherwise, quiz, we got por and para, we got commands. I don't know if you want to do a quick think aloud here together for a second. I always have a little more time in this class since we have our lunch period. So if we want to take a minute to refresh on por and para, we can. Somebody have a good phrase for the por that they want to share, or I can do mine about cats. Anybody got a different one they use? How we remember the por ones?
I use your cat one.
Okay, so what is the cats one? You know it?
The cat can't talk to men ever.
Oh, did I do men? I think in my other class I did monkeys. Did I change it to monkeys? Okay, so great cats or good cats can't talk to what you said men. I say monkeys, but again, I change it ever. So think about what that means for a minute. Okay, I'll say it one more time. You see if you can do your reasons for using por. Great. Say it in your head. I'm going to say it out loud. I don't know. What's great for? Gracias, right? Cats. Cause. Can't. Communication. Talk. Transportation. Great cats can't talk. To. Time, like a period of time. Monkeys or men. Movement through, like you're stopping by a place. And ever. Exchange for, right? You're buying something for something. Okay. And then for para, I don't know. Anybody got a good one? I think mine was what? I go drop off Reese's or either drop off Reese's daily or no, that's what it was. I go drop off Reese's daily. Is that what it was? Yeah. So you think about what you have. I don't know. We can do them together. So everybody think of what the I is for and what is it? In order to go goal, and those are sort of overlapping, right? Usually like in order to get a good grade, that is also my goal. I go drop. What's D for? Destination, like you're going to a place. Drop Reese's. Recipient, like it's for Derek, right? Off. Opinion, like for me, ... And then daily is your deadline. Okay. So basically, if you kind of have those rules, you should get most of them, if not all of them. Okay. All right. Let's talk about commands for a minute. So what is the only command that uses the same ending as the original verb? Positive or negative? Positive, right? Give you that, Malia. Thanks. So yeah, positive to command uses that LAF form. Everything else is going to use some form of the, what do I call it? The opposite ending, right? So if it's an AR verb, it has an E. If it's an ER/IR verb, it has an A. And then it just depends, right? If it's an usted command, it's just opposite. What if it's ustedes? Opposite plus N. What if it's a -to command? Opposite plus S. And what if it's a nosotros command? Opposite plus mos, right? Amos or amos. That's the gist of pretty much what you need to know. We ready to do it? Sure. Okay, let's put our notes away. And I'll give you the rest of the period. We'll get started on the quiz. You'll work on the quiz, turn in the quiz. If you're on Zoom, you're going to stay on until you finish your quiz. And then you work on your vocab / any other missing assignments. Okay, if you got notes out, please put them away. If you got your phone out, please put it away. And head to your current lesson. Okay, Anna, I'll message you in a second. So current lesson, I think it's up to date, isn't it? Did I update it? Is it there?
It wasn't earlier.
No, I usually do it right before this class.
Quiz?
Yeah, is it there?
It's on.
Yeah, it's there. It's Prueba de Capítulo 4. All right, so click on that guy. Ready for the password? Ready? Amistad. What's amistad?
Friendship?
Friendship. Yeah. All right, I'll put it in the chat in case you need to know how to spell it. I don't think I did la amistad. It's just amistad. All right, and once you get in there, I'll just tell you a couple brief things. It's fairly self-explanatory. Amistad. Everybody in? Can I get a thumbs up if people are there? Yeah, okay. All right, so here's what you need to know. First part, take your time. Obviously, Por and Para got 50-50, but let's get them right. So take your time. That is a nice chunk of points there. Then the next part, you are doing a command. I gave you the word beber. So just take your time again. You got +2, -2, positive usted, negative usted, etc. So read through those carefully. Accents count, spelling counts, so take your time. Then you've got a little reading and a couple true and false questions. All right. Any questions for the good of the group? All right, well, buena suerte. I will mute myself and let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, Zoom friends, stay on until you're done, then you don't have to check in. Just leave the Zoom and go work on vocab and missing assignments. Okay? All right, buena suerte.